Hi there! In this video, we'll learn about app pages in Salesforce. What is an app page in Salesforce? An app page in Salesforce is a single-page layout that allows you to combine various components, such as charts, lists, and dashboards, into one unified view. It's like a custom workspace where you can place all the data and tools your team needs to work efficiently. Why do we use an app page? We use app pages to create a personalized space for different teams, so they can see all the information and actions they need in one place. For example, a sales manager might want to see a chart of their team's performance, a list of top opportunities, and recent activities all on a single page. Real-time example. Let's say you're creating an app page for an HR manager. You want to show the following components: an employee directory list, an upcoming interviews calendar, and a new hire onboarding checklist. This app page would help the HR manager quickly access key employee information, monitor upcoming interview schedules, and track onboarding activities for new hires. How to create an app page in Salesforce? To create an app page, go to the Setup menu in Salesforce. Type Lightning App Builder in the Quick Find box. Select Lightning App Builder from the options. Click New to start creating a new Lightning page. Choose App Page as your page type. Click Next. Give your app page a name. For this example, name it HR Manager Dashboard. After naming your page, click Next. Choose a layout that fits your design needs. For our example, let's choose two regions to separate the main dashboard area from a sidebar. Click Done. Now it's time to add components. Drag and drop components from the left panel onto your layout. Let's add a dashboard component and a report. Once you're happy with your design, click Save. And then activate to make your new app page available for use. Finally, assign your app page to the relevant Salesforce app. Navigate to the Sales app. Select HR Manager Dashboard. You can see the app page we configured here. And that's it. App pages in Salesforce are a great way to create custom workspaces for your team, making it easy for them to access the right data and tools in one place. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Salesforce guides. See you next time. This is Naveen signing off.